Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to remove the rear brake caliper from Lucas, which is installed on my Audi A6 C5, as well as Skoda, VW Passat, and other cars. I decided to remove the brake caliper because the piston in it got stuck and the wheel stopped spinning freely. As a result, the wheel and caliper heat up while driving. As you can see, I lifted the wheel and now I'm trying to rotate it. As you can see, it's hard to rotate. This is very bad, so we need to remove the caliper, fix it, or replace it with a new one. In the end, I removed the wheel, and as you can see, the caliper is attached to the bracket with 2 bolts. I won't be able to unscrew them until I disconnect the handbrake cable. The cable comes off easily. To do this, you need to pull up a special bracket that holds it. First, I disconnected the cable from the caliper, and then, with a little effort, I pulled out the bracket. Before unscrewing the caliper bolts, I recommend first unscrewing the brake hose with a 13mm wrench. Keep in mind that brake fluid will spill out after this, so you need to cover the hose with something. In the end, I unscrewed the brake hose, just don't lose the copper washer. Then, I unscrewed the caliper bolts and, using a screwdriver, lifted the caliper and pulled it out. From the bracket, we remove the caliper bolts and remove the brake pads. For those who want to paint or clean all the brake system parts from rust and dirt, you can unscrew the caliper bracket. It comes off easily. You need to unscrew 2 bolts. As you can see, the caliper is removed very easily. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon in the next video.